If you're looking to set up a price match policy in ShopWired, you're in the right place. Whether you're new to the platform or trying to fine-tune your store's pricing, this guide will show you how to quickly and easily set it up. First, you'll want to log into your ShopWired admin dashboard. This is where all your store settings are controlled, including any pricing policies you want to implement. Once you're in, head over to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Next thing you need to do is navigate to the Pricing section within the settings. Here, you'll find different options to manage how your prices are displayed and adjusted across your entire store. ShopWired doesn't have a built-in, automated price match feature, so you'll need to use their flexibility to create a custom solution. Now, you can manually set up a price match policy by creating a discount or coupon code that can be applied when a price match request is made. You'll have the option to define rules for how the price match should work, like the discount percentage and the types of products eligible for this match. You can set it up to trigger only when a competitor's price is lower, or you can apply it to specific categories of items. The fourth thing is to consider creating a specific page on your website dedicated to your price match policy. This will help customers easily find out how they can submit a request for a price match. Be clear about the requirements, such as whether the competitor's price needs to include shipping or if the product must be in stock. It's important to be transparent so your customers know exactly what to expect. After setting up the price match terms, it's time to communicate them to your customers. You'll want to make sure they're aware of your new policy through an announcement, which you can display on your homepage in product descriptions, or even as a pop-up on the checkout page. Now, while ShopWired offers great flexibility, it doesn't have a fully integrated system for handling price matches automatically, which could be a challenge for some store owners looking for ease of use. You'll need to manually monitor price requests and adjust prices accordingly. For some, this might be a little more time-consuming than they'd like, especially when dealing with a high volume of requests. That said, there are alternatives that provide more robust solutions for price match policies. These platforms might offer built-in tools that automate the process, saving you time and giving customers a smoother experience. One competitor you might want to check out is Shopify, which has dedicated apps and third-party integrations to handle price matching and other pricing strategies. And here's something you'll want to know. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to ShopWired's exclusive and extended free trial. But if you're looking for an alternative with more automated features to achieve that seamless price match experience, I've got a few options for you that also offer free trials. These alternatives could be a better fit depending on your goals. By clicking through our link, you'll get the best deal available to our viewers, with special benefits that you can't find anywhere else. So, if automating your price match policy sounds appealing, don't forget to check those options out. Thanks for watching, and remember, while ShopWired is great for certain setups, finding the best platform to match your specific needs can make all the difference.